which has a sensational performance. Flown today by Glenn Graham. Of course, a lot of aerobatic competition takes place around this area. What Glenn is going to do is to show you a few standard manoeuvres. Now, aerobatic competition is something very difficult. He's just going to show you a couple of pulling up into a group. The judges will sit on either end of the box just to ensure that he actually does stay within that box. And then you have separate judges who are looking at different rolls, just in the loop, pulling up vertical, back over the top again, do what's called a half shoulder roll. All of these manoeuvres, they don't call them out in plain English. There's actually a system, it's like shorthand for aerobatic pilots. It's called the Arresti system, where a series of diagrams describe exactly what the aircraft is going to perform. And this system is used worldwide. It came into being about 1937. Judging how the aircraft maintains vertical, and again remember that that wind is blowing up there, so he has to keep on that vertical line despite the wind increasing as he goes up. Now that just finishes off his little demonstration of some of the manoeuvres that are undertaken during this aerobatic competition. And now what Glenn's going to do is to roll into his solo aerobatic performance. Up into a loop with 3 snap rolls on the top, known as a triple avalanche. Pulling up vertically now, and on the up, rolling over the top, again with multiple snap rolls. There they go, down competition, a lot of these aircraft are fitted with devices on the wing that have special shapes. They're made out of wire, and that helps protect the pilot in line with the they're just relying on his great skill at the present time. And although the aircraft looks like it may be out of control at some stage, exactly what it has to do to recover and enter into the next maneuver. back. A beautiful tail slide there.